unboxing video for this new infrared heater that we just got. So, I'm unboxing this because I plan on setting up as an emergency heater just in case the stove goes out and the baby boy will stay warm. This is a very sturdy, by the way. This is totally irrelevant, but this is just really interesting to me. This piece of cardboard that they put over top is actually really strong and sturdy. Kind of a nice little picture frame. Or a kitty frame. Oh no, she ran away. So, it doesn't say anything on it about keeping a certain side up in the box. And generally, in my experience, it doesn't matter that much which way the heater sits. Looks ski box. Until it's actually turned on. So, another one of these nice little sturdy frames. Instructions, warning tag, remote. Oh, not a warning tag, a free something. Why would you put it in warning tag orange? Alright, and then of course we remove the most atrocious and egregious of things, styrofoam. Seriously, dear all companies, please stop using styrofoam because it is the devil. Thank you. I could have actually turned. Well, I can hear the parts inside it moving around, so that's interesting. It smells wonky. Smells like